Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make whole wheat almond blueberry muffins. They are very easy muffin recipe which does not involve any maida, butter or white sugar. As you all know, our channel does not use any white ingredients. And here is another muffin recipe with the goodness of blueberry and nuts. Let's jump into the making. First I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk. We are going to prepare buttermilk. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. Let it sit aside for some time. Next we'll make the dry ingredients. I have added 1 cup of whole wheat flour and quarter cup of almond flour. Sieve it once. You can also use homemade almond powder for this recipe. Do not sieve it, use it as such. Sieve the flour twice. Once it is done, line the cupcake tray and preheat the oven to 350. In a bowl, add quarter cup of oil. I have used cold pressed groundnut oil. You can use any neutral oil of choice. Add 3/4 cup of coconut sugar or any other preferred sweetener. Mix well once. Break lumps if it has. Add the prepared buttermilk now and mix it. You can easily make this recipe to vegan by substituting it with coconut milk. Add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This masks the flavor of whole wheat flour. Mix it once. Then add 1 cup and quarter cup of thick curd or yogurt. This is responsible for the fluffier muffins. Do not reduce it. Now let's add the dry ingredients. I am sieving the flour for the 3rd time. This will aerate the flour and results in fluffier muffins. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sieve everything together once. Cut and fold the batter. Gently mix dry and wet ingredients without lumps. I have taken 3/4 cup of fresh blueberries. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour to it. Mix it well. Do not break the blueberries. Add it to the batter prepared and gently give it a mix. Do not add the leftover flour into the batter. Do not mix the batter for a longer time, that may result in a denser cupcakes. With the leftover flour, I am going to add 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts and quarter cup of unrefined sugar for the crumbled top. Also, I have added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of oil. It gives us a crunchier top for the muffins. It is called as drizzle. In bakery muffins, they will add a lot of butter, sugar and flour to make this drizzle, but we have made a healthy walnut cinnamon drizzle. Now pour the batter in a lined muffin tray. I got about 10 muffins. Add the walnut mixture on top of it. You can skip this part if you don't want it. Press it gently with the spoon. I feel this is the best part of the muffins. Give it a try for at least one of your muffins. Bake the muffins at 350 for 25 minutes. Check for doneness with a skewer or a toothpick. If it is not done, bake for another 2 minutes. This is the best choice of muffins with nuts and fruits. It turned out moist and fluffy. You can see it. Let's cut it out. It tasted so delicious. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. See how well it turned out. You can see the blueberries. These are the guilt-free best breakfast muffins. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you.